Alright guys, check out these Kanto ORAMB speakers I've been jamming to. Seriously, these things are a major step up from your average desktop sound. First off, they're small, like surprisingly compact, so they don't eat up your entire desk. You can even mount them on the wall or ceiling if you're feeling fancy. But don't let the size fool you. They pack a punch. We're talking 100 watts of power, bi-amplified, which basically means they handle the highs and lows separately for a cleaner, more defined sound. And the bass? Dude, the bass from these little 3-inch woofers is ridiculous. I was genuinely shocked. They call them reference quality, and honestly, I get it. They're definitely linear enough that you could use them for basic mixing or music production, but they're also just fantastic for everyday listening, whether you're gaming, watching movies, or just chilling to some tunes. The sound is crisp, clear, and surprisingly detailed. The connections are super versatile too. You've got USB-C, which is perfect for hooking up to your laptop or computer. The Bluetooth 5.0 is solid and connects easily to your phone or whatever. And they even threw in an RCA input for your old-school analog gear. So pretty much any device you can think of, you can connect to these speakers. One thing that really impressed me is the seamless subwoofer integration. If you decide to add a sub later on, these speakers automatically adjust and focus on the mid and high frequencies, letting the sub handle the low end. It's a really smart feature that makes a big difference in the overall sound quality. You can crank the volume without worrying about distortion, which is always a plus. Now, are these perfect? Well, no speaker is perfect. While the bass is impressive for the size, audiophiles looking for truly earth-shattering lows might still want a dedicated subwoofer. But for most people, for everyday use, the bass on these is more than enough. And honestly, for the price and the size, the overall sound quality is outstanding. So, who are these for? I'd say anyone looking to upgrade their desktop audio without breaking the bank. They're perfect for gamers, music lovers, movie watchers, podcast listeners, basically anyone who wants a richer, more immersive sound experience. They're also a great option for smaller spaces where you don't have room for bulky bookshelf speakers. If you're looking for a compact, powerful, and versatile set of desktop speakers, the Kanto ORAMBs are definitely worth checking out. They've seriously impressed me, and I think they'll impress you too.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.